So there are various reasons why dental implants can be more expensive in the beginning. So for example, if a patient who is in need of, they're losing their teeth or they've lost their teeth, of course you can have dentures made for relatively inexpensive, the cost. But that's really not a permanent solution. It's not a long-term solution. And actually over time, it's going to be more expensive for them because of the health, their overall health. That just, with dentures, they cannot chew their food up properly. It affects their digestive system. So they could have declining overall health simply because they are not having, they're wearing dentures that aren't as effective or efficient as dental implants. So in the beginning, yes, dental implants can be a more expensive procedure, but in the long run, they're going to save a lot of money by going forward with that sort of a treatment. Plus, their quality of life is so much better.